Are you looking to master conjugate heat transfer analysis for thermal applications? Welcome to Mastering Thermal CFD Simulations using Ansys Workbench and CFX. This course offers a complete learning journey from the fundamentals of heat transfer to advanced simulation techniques. Each topic is explained through theoretical understanding, followed by hands-on simulations using Ansys CFX inside the Workbench platform. You'll analyze heat transfer in flat plates, pipe flows, and advance to heat exchangers, transformer radiators, mixing pipe, fin, and tube heat exchangers, turbine blade cooling, and much more. You'll also explore parametric studies, design optimization, and even coupled thermal fluid structural analysis in engineering applications. This course is ideal for students, researchers, and professionals who want to deepen their understanding of thermal systems and simulation-based design. With 2 practical assignments and real-world case studies, you'll gain the skills to analyze, interpret, and improve thermal performance across various industries. Enroll now and turn your theoretical knowledge into simulation expertise. Your journey to mastering thermal CFD starts here.